Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hamza and meet my sister Maaira.
Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Meet my sister Zafa. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our video. Today we will tell you about our favorite online school, the Online Islamic Institute.
Online school where we learn about Islam, the Quran and how to be good Muslims. My favorite subject is Quran recitation and I love to learn new surahs.
Our teachers are so nice and knowledgeable. They explain everything in a way that we can understand and we can learn it at home, and it's so much fun. We also do lots of cool activities during Ramadan, and storytelling day is my favorite.
Interested in learning about Islam and making new friends? Join us. It's an amazing experience with Online
Islamic Institute.